The lead line. This rope here will represent the lead line, which is black on your net, and the ring is here, and we'll put it on in this orientation so that when the other line passes through it, it'll be this direction parallel to the lead line. So this is how we attach the rings. We used white twine here just to be contrasting and easier to see. We'll connect it on with a clove hitch and then a knot behind it, but however you get it on there, as long as you leave the tail and it doesn't come undone, that should work fine.
You're going to do it right away?
So yep. So we're going to put the ring on. It went underneath the mesh and then through the ring, and we're going to keep doing that for a few passes here. So,
no, I don't.
No?
Come
Okay.
around the back.
Okay.
Let's swoop it.
Okay. We're holding the ring up. That's cool. Yep. And we're going back and forth in different directions, like coming across, making a figure 8 through the ring.
Oops.
We'll do this one really slow. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Get it taken off YouTube.
I got it out now.
Yeah. Okay, and after you've done it a few times there, it's keeping the mesh in its place. Then you're gonna you can make a couple wraps and then do those later.
Oh.
We're gonna do wraps around them. We call these seizings. Pull them quite tight, and then make some that go underneath themselves. You can do some underneath now.
What do you mean?
So just what you've been doing. So then we're biting it underneath with half hitches and pull it really tight.
I don't know what you mean.
So this twine is all, it's made to shrink. So the twine we sent you, or twine I might send you today, when it gets wet, it'll shrink and make this tighter. And what do we do with the tails?
Just tie it off.
So we're just tying the end off. And the first one we could probably just cut it off. It's not a big deal. It's caught underneath all the rest of it. So basically that's how you do it. I've given you enough rings to do these every 2 feet, every 60 centimeters, plus one on the end. So then you run your skinny line through that I'm going to include as well. And as you pull those, it'll gather all the rings together like a curtain. And then you've pursed the bottom of your net together. Good luck.